What's up, guys? I got to talk to you about something in this video that I really don't want to admit, because I know there's a lot of people out there that hate on Dodge trucks because of transmissions. Well, my 2003 Dodge 2500 with a 5.9 Cummins has 355,000 miles and the transmission went out. So whether you're a Dodge fan, Ford fan, Chevy fan, GMC, Toyota, I don't care. With 355,000 miles, I don't feel bad that my transmission went out. I've personally owned it for quite a few years, 7 years myself. Before that, construction company owned it, and I'm sure it probably didn't have the best life, but the transmission went out. What can I say? If your truck has 355,000 miles or more, hit the like button. I ended up taking it to a place that I know and respect pretty well. It's called Phoenix Transmission in Weatherford, Texas. I'm not sponsored by them in this video or any video. Now, I'm going to be honest, I used to be a Chevy guy until I bought my first Dodge truck, which was a 2011 Ram 1500, and I love that truck. So after that, I bought a 2013, a 2015, which I currently still have, and then after I bought the 2015 is when I bought this 2003 diesel pickup. And the reason I bought it is because I was working out of it and I needed to haul some heavy trailers. So I bought the 2003 diesel pickup, and I've enjoyed owning it ever since. Now, there's been a lot of issues with Chevy transmissions as well. We had a old Chevy Tahoe and the transmission went out at 150,000 miles. I've talked with other Chevy owners that had Suburbans and half-ton pickups, and they all had their transmission go out around the same mileage, 150,000 to 160,000 miles. So personally, I don't feel bad. So now the good news is the transmission is getting completely remanufactured. They're doing some valve body upgrades, and the transmission shop that I took it to, they're building their own torque converter to put in it. So I'm pretty confident when I get it back, it's going to be doing great, and I shouldn't have any more issues for many more miles to come. On the way to Weatherford, Texas right now. My wife has a doctor appointment, and the third gen should be done this week. So when we pick it up, we've got a few other things we need to pick up, and then we'll head back home after that, and we'll give you a few time-lapse videos on the way. Hopefully you enjoy it. Here at Phoenix Transmission, and here's a picture of the truck in their parking lot. Well, we picked up the truck and we're headed back home now. Not sure how the audio quality is going to be on this. It's a little bit noisy, but the truck's doing great. Not sure if you can see the transmission temperature staying around 150, 147, 150. Maximum it's gotten so far is 156. Been on the highway for over 30 minutes and it's handling great. Going average speed about 75 miles an hour here in Texas. gone over 120 miles now. You can see the transmission temperature still hasn't really got above 156. I'd say it's doing pretty good. Last hill before the house. Truck's doing pretty good. Transmission temperature didn't get above 168 this whole trip. That's over 400 miles up and down hills through Texas and into New Mexico, and it did pretty good. I'm impressed.